are trying to mix a bit of different languages, taking inspiration from cultures, from cross-cultural elements, and we have different expertise. All of us is specialized in different field of design, but we participate together to create our concepts, and we work on them together, mainly together. It's a kind of discussion. Sometimes we fight, sometimes we discuss, sometimes we laugh. A grain of sand could become a geometry, like many things that you look through a microscope become a geometry. The geometry that we use for this furniture made out of cardboard, that is the usual cardboard you use for packaging. And but it's interweaved in a way that it becomes very sturdy, and you can use it as furniture. You can, and it's a modular piece, so even you can rearrange it as you wish according to your need. And it's fun because it has colors, it has some sort of texture. We made it out of this interconnected piece of cardboard. You can see here how is the structure of all of the furniture is done with the same technique, and it's just clipped with some paper clips, and it's just covered with an acrylic sheet. It was a challenge to cope with the daylight and the night light as well, but this is part of the art bar, so it's changing. During the day it has an effect, then during the night there is another layer of lighting and another layer that creates another interesting effect, interacting with the people. During the day it's a place it's a loungy place where people relax for some time. During the night is a party place where people dance and have fun. The consumer interact with the environment even through an engagement of the kaleidoscope. So the kaleidoscope, it has these levels, these layers of geometries and reflection. It's enriching the concept with this reflection, and people are having fun taking picture of themselves. We enjoy working with Giovanni, the cocktail designer, and we gave also some artistic name to the drinks, and we garnished them with an interesting origami shapes.
What we was trying to create here is something really has a link with artistic, and had a link with, of course, the influence of the Middle East. So some of the flavor, like the Oasis Zafir, has the date honey involved. So it's something like really brings inside the Middle East flavors. We try to do as much as artistic, visual point of view in terms of cocktail. For us, the balance of the visual and the look and the flavors, and it needs to match the full concept of the art. Having artistic for us as a guest is something quite unique.
It was an amazing opportunity working with Absolute, that they gave us freedom to create our concept from layout to the furniture to the drinks, the food and the entertainment. And we thank them for supporting art as artists in the region.